Hi there. Thank you very much for subscribing my channel at the very beginning. And then let me start by saying today I'm going to give you some tips to import some products from China, Hong Kong, especially Hong Kong. If you are a businessman, young entrepreneur, trying to import something from China, this video is for you. Now, if you want to go to China, buy some product for your local market, it's fine. You can go there. You can enjoy the environment, the factory, can go and look over and judge the price. But you might have two main problems. Number one is time. As a businessman, you cannot be there for 2 or 3 months because China is really a very, very vast, big country. And China is otherwise considered the factory of the world because too many thousands and thousands of factories over there. So it is really time-worthy, to look, but do you really have the time? That is the question. That could be a problem for you, timing. And then language. Most of the Chinese, up until today, they don't speak English, not at all. Yeah, they speak. Some of them speak, but it will be tough for you to find somebody over there. You can find, but you know, China is for Potunga or Chinese, those kind of stuff. I'm not actually saying anything negative, but in fact, you mainly will face these two problems, language problem and time problem, or maybe challenge if I put in other way. Okay. Then, how to overcome this? You can overcome these two challenges just by coming to Hong Kong. And now I'm going to give you one reputed organization, their address, where you can contact, and by contacting them, you can go through thousands of companies who are providing, which companies are providing for your need, the product that you are intending to import to your country or your local market. So go to www.hktdc.com. Yes, that is Hong Kong Trade Development Council. If you go to their website, you will find thousands of companies are registered under them, and this is under the supervision of the Hong Kong government. So here you will have a fair price, nice shipment, and no scam, no cheating, nothing, because Hong Kong is one of the biggest, the business city in the world. Hong Kong is so reputed in the world that there is no claim that something came from Hong Kong and it is just, cheated or something like that. For China, well, I just can't say anything because no comments. I'm sorry about that. But for Hong Kong, I can tell you with guarantee that if you contact HKTDC and the registered companies under them, then you are in safe hand. So my dear friends, today I visited a fair, that was a lighting fair, and then this is my business badge, my badge. This is very important. You will also have this one for your entry and exit for safety and security because it has your name and your company name. And then I got a booklet. This booklet actually shows many addresses from China. All are reputed companies registered with HKTDC. So there is no chance of being undermined by any company or scam anything, nothing. So these are some advertisements they are giving in here. And then by the way, I found another Chinese company or organization, Guangzhou International Lighting Exhibition. Okay, 9 to 12 of June, there will be a fair in Guangzhou, China. So if you go to one fair, you can get many other. So actually, this is my first day there. The fair will be 2 days more there. Anyway, that is not the matter. The matter is that I am recommending this HKTDC for you. You contact them, you give your email address. Many companies will contact with you, give you the price and everything, and you also have option for a small order. You can also order very small. Not you need to buy container and container big and big amount. You also can buy few $1,000s also. So they give you provide you many facilities. So check out for that. And thank you very much for subscribing my channel. And from myself, I tried my best, and my intention is to grow a young generation who will flourish the business in their life, and they will be business-minded people. Anyway, thank you very much. Bye-bye. See you.